Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys angithandi. Yes guys, there's one thing I'm not happy about because it's starting to give vibes or it's starting to look like one of the sub themes of season 8 because the theme is wife number 5. One of the sub themes of season 8 is giving uMayeni le ndaba kaMayeni and uMacele guys, and I don't like it. The reason why I don't like it is because I feel like into yakudala guys, and I feel like why are people even, or why is it even still an issue in a sense? And I know I'm saying this, and I know I'm saying this in a very careless way to say, why is it still an issue? Because I mean, these are people's emotions involved, you guys. But I just feel like it's useless in a sense of why is this even an issue of indaba yokuthi umusa married uMacele before uMayeni, and it's still something where abantu are speaking about it, whereas it happened years ago. And the thing is, like, guys, there's no way we're gonna go back in time and change the way things are. Have you ever heard of the saying of things happen for a reason? I mean, Umusa was saying to Kokflo, Uguti, I believe Uguti, you brought these women in my life for a reason. So at this point, people need to at least accept ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngendlela ezenzeke ngayo for a reason, you guys. There's no like what's the point of still dwelling on the past, knowing ukuthi it's hurting people. Now, in episode 30, guys, Umusa takes his wives out to dinner where they're watching the season 7 snippets, right? And there's something that he says about Umayeni. He says isilonda lendaba yokuthi, oh, he says ukuthi uMpumelelo, this is when they were playing snippets about uMpumelelo wanting to take his first wife from the Taile family. Then uMusa says ukuthi hey phela uMpumelelo umvusele enye into ke, because uMpumelelo wanting to take the first wife kwaTaile ivuselela uMayeni isilonda esingapheli. So guys, isilonda esingapheli, it means like it's a wound that never heals. So I feel like Umusa's insinuating that Umayeni will never heal over the fact that uMacele was taken as first wife before her. Listen, guys, we all, not that we all know it, but most of us, or let me speak for myself, Umayeni and Umusa, they give soulmate vibes. And I've said this before, that I feel like had they not had their disagreements and not seen eye to eye that time, he would have married Umayeni, but both of them say, Wuti guys, there was complications and whatnot, and he ended up taking Umacele. So maybe the hurt, I guess, Umusa, that he's saying Wuti isilonda singapheli is over this thing. I don't see Wuti. I think, in all honesty, when I look at it, I think the hurt from Umayeni is not over. She's not hurt at Umacele because she doesn't know Umacele, or at least I don't expect her to be hurt at Umacele or angry at Umacele, because Umacele angimbone nephutha guys, imshelile indoda, yamtshela indoda ukuthi ifuna umshada, yena ungenaphi in other things. Do you understand what I'm saying? That time we don't even know ukuthi uMusa ufike kuMacele wathini kuMacele. But uMayeni has been quite clear over the seasons, guys, ukuthi uMusa udlale ngaye kakhulu futhi. He played with him, and people are saying, guys, ukuthi people are saying uMayeni, she dated uMusa at the same age uThobile dated uMusa, which is around 16 years old. I don't know how factual is that, guys. We on season 8. There's some things that I forget, and that's why it's important that we remind each other, because some things kuningi bandla kuningi. If they can't even keep up nendaba zabo, who am I? So, Umayeni, I feel like she's more hurt at the fact that Umusa would do that to her. So I feel like it is between the two of them. But the way it's portrayed on TV is as if Umayeni, she has something against Umacele just because Umacele was married first. That's the vibes it's giving. I feel like Umacele low-key believes that, because Umacele even said ukuthi Umayeni unalento yokuthi ngamthathela indoda. And I'm just like, yo, guys, yazi, I'm wishing all the healing to Umayeni because at the end of the day, guys, yes, ubuhlungu to be in love with the person and you know which will surface lahlane wami. You know what you guys are meant to be, but things didn't just happen in that way. But guys, it's years later. Unengane, I mean, Umpumelelo himself, he's a daddy at this point. Like, there's no reason why we should be visiting the past, sivusenela manxeba, guys, of things we can't change it. Umatsale will always be wife number one. There's no changing it. Umayen eventually, guys, he did go and fetch her. Yeah, he eventually went back for her and he tried everything. He went to the extent of featuring Utobile as a wife or as a girlfriend just so that he can get Umayeni in this Tembo situation. That's how much he wanted her and he wanted to do right by her. So I don't get to why are we still going back there or why the producers are even still vusaring Lento because I feel like izokabanisa abantu unnecessarily, guys. Like things should just be left the way they are left. If Umayam is still hurting over that, let her deal with those things on her own. But for us or for the producers to be vusaring this thing and making it a topic all over again, hi guys, no, Angtan, shame. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads as well. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.